will be following a tutorial to transform myself into Valentina from RuPaul's Drag Race. If you guys don't know her, she is a Mexican drag queen that participated in season 9, I believe. Yes, season 9. So yeah, I'm kind of bored, so I'll be transforming into her. Today is the first time actually I'm gonna try this. I've never done it, and yeah, I'm gonna follow her tutorial and see how this turns out. Obviously, I'm not gonna take out my eyebrows like they do because I have enough eyelid over here. Yeah, I think God didn't bless me with boobs, but He blessed me with a lot of eyelid. So we're gonna start with the concealer. Valentina starts with the concealer like around this area. I'm sorry to all the beauty queens, makeup gurus out there that know what they're doing. I want to apologize because I don't know what I'm doing. So if I do something wrong, don't come at me. I'm just not a pro. I'm a beginner on makeup, and don't get me. So yeah, this is me trying to do the transformation into Valentina. So yeah, so this is what she does. She basically has better makeup than I do. And I'm gonna look like a clown. Okay. And then she goes and does her base or foundation, like many of you want to call it, whatever. Yeah, so foundation, and she said maybe a little darker than you used to, but we'll see. Maybe this one will work. I don't know. But yeah, she is going with her foundation, just like that. Okay, so now we go into contouring. So she says that the natural contouring is like from here to here, right? But my face is all like all weird. But like she goes from like here to here. That's not like the natural contouring of your, cheekbone. And she says, who wants to be natural, right? Nobody. Not in 2020. Nobody wants to be natural. But okay, we're gonna go from here to here. This is scary. I've never done this contouring thing. Okay, and then here and here. Oh, what is this? Okay, here and here, and then the jawline, because I don't know, I have a big face for a girl. So yeah, we're gonna contour that and make it smaller, daintier. So this is what she does to snatch her nose, and it's not looking like the same because I lost my white pencil and I just got it. We're doing what we can. Oh, this is just nice. We do this more often, like I said. Nos empalizamos. I think this works. I don't know. Don't come at me for not doing the right thing here. I don't care.
Underneath my eyes, the cream, and I blend this out.
Plenty of eyebrows. Like,
distributing the product.
why?
I'm going to set.
I have so much. Does it look like I want it to look? No. What am I gonna do? I don't know. The next thing she does, she carves her eyelid over here, right? So she starts like from right here to right here. So we're gonna try. She does it with a lip liner, but I'm gonna do it with a little brush and eyeshadow because, I don't know if my lip liner is gonna look that good. Ooh. Okay. This is a cut crease that I've never done in my life. And I probably won't again because this is what happens when you don't have friends. So you just do tutorials. You follow tutorials. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I was gonna start looking like Valentina like in the first 5 seconds. Why did I even sign up to do this? I should be sleeping. I work tomorrow. Nah.
Academy Award winner, The Color Purple. And you see, what I'm doing isn't it?
The same that she's doing right here. Oh, I like it. And she's coming up people talk to the camera. And I'm talking to the camera because I'm home alone. Honestly. Nobody's here with me. I look like I'm doing this drunk, honestly. Okay, so she starts with the cream liner on top before the liquid. And I mean, I'm good at the eyeliner, so hopefully this works. I'm just winging it, get it? Winging it. She outlines the eyelid. Wow, this is nice. I like it. Turning myself into Valentina. I hope she doesn't see this and thinks I'm mocking her, but I'm not, because I truly admire her. And I hope she just doesn't see it at all. Ooh, I just want to get my nose snatched. Like, when is this happening?
And I start off with elongating my
Elongating the
nostrils.
nostrils.
Kind of create like these little triangular nostril shapes. I like to darken and use the.
We're gonna do the contouring. Over here. We're gonna do this face, or else it won't work. Just like he does his face, I'm gonna do mine. We are doing the lips. And we're gonna start from here, go under, you know, overdrawing, doing a circle. We're just doing them round. Yo, I don't know who I look like, but it's definitely not Valentina. I'm gonna do the lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back with the final thing, everything, even dressed up, because this is the fun of it, you know? I'm so excited. So this is the final product. I didn't think I was gonna pull it off, right? Look, because I feel like it's so beautiful. Like, I've never done my makeup like this before, like not even that much. And like, I added some of the, like, I fake lashes underneath. I know they're not the best, right? But I don't have any lashes that go under, or I don't have her actual lashes, but I have something. I mean, it's not the best makeup, as you can see, but I feel beautiful. Like, this is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed my boredom with me. And I know I'm talking to nobody, but I just feel amazing. Like a model, like Linda Evangelista, you know? But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you like more content like this, I can definitely do more because I get bored easily. And I got me a ring light. You know, I'm feeling myself today. Now I look like Valentina. I hope she doesn't look at this and get offended. I'm feeling myself.